Kia ora! Welcome to the 5th lesson on possessives. Today we're looking at how to ask and answer the question, who does it belong to? To ask, who does it belong to, we start the sentence with nā or nō. Which one we use depends on the object. If you haven't already, I recommend watching the video on possessive categories. After that, we put the word wai, which means who. At the end, we put the object. Tēnei means this. Nā wai tēnei. Who does this belong to? Hupa means soup. Soup is food, so we use nā. Nā wai tēnei hupa. Who does this soup belong to? To answer, if the owner is aho, me, koe, you, or ia, him, her, we have to change the words nā wai like this. Nāku tēnei hupa. This soup is mine. Nau tēnei hupa. This soup is yours. Nāna tēnei hupa. This soup is hers. If the owner is someone else, we simply replace the word wai with the owner. For example, nā wai tērā hupa. Who does that soup belong to? Nā raua tērā hupa. That soup is theirs. Nā Maria tērā hupa. That soup is Maria's. Nā te koroua tērā hupa. That soup is the old man's. Ngā karapu means the gloves. A glove is a piece of clothing, so we say nō. Nō wai ngā karapu. Who do the gloves belong to? Nō ngā karapu. The gloves are yours. Nōna ngā karapu. The gloves are hers. Nō te pēpi ngā karapu. The gloves are the baby's. Nō Maria ngā karapu. The gloves are Maria's. Let's practice while learning some new words and also revising the possessive categories. Motopaika means motorbike. How would you say, the motorbike is mine? Nōku te motopaika. Transport belongs to the O category. Taonga tākaro means toy. How would you say, the toys belong to the children? Nā ngā tamariki ngā taonga tākaro. Property that you can pick up belongs to the A category. To negate these sentences, we put ehara at the beginning, and we replace the no or na word with I. Nā ngā tamariki ngā taonga tākaro. The toys belong to the children. Ehara I ngā tamariki ngā taonga tākaro. The toys do not belong to the children. For pronouns and proper names, we also need to add a before the pronoun or name. Nōku te motopaika. The motorbike is mine. Ehara ia au te motopaika. The motorbike is not mine. Nō Maria ngā karapu. The gloves are Maria's. Ehara ia Maria ngā karapu. The gloves are not Maria's. There you have it. Now you know how to ask and answer the question, who does it belong to? Ka kite!